Hey guys, Tech Commentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix your iPhone if it is being silenced or calls are not going through or you don't see the calls anymore. Now, this is an issue that a lot of people are encountering, and it's something we wanted to show you guys how to fix it in a couple different ways. Again, the solution, it's going to be a couple things you have to do, but it's pretty straightforward and simple if you follow along in this video. As here you can see we have iPhone 13 that we're going to do the demo on, but essentially this can happen to any device that you have with the recent software updates that are going on. So first thing first is, of course, to make sure that your phone is on silent mode. You want to make sure that it's turned on. Again, this is an easy thing, but you'll notice here the silent thing is on the left hand side. You want to push it upward so that it's facing up here. Now that will turn off that silent mode off. Again, that's simple, but it's something you want to do. Next thing you want to make sure is your volume is up, just in case it's not muted completely. That's why you're missing the call. So you can press the volume up button to make sure that is on. The next thing you want to do is, again, really simple, but want to make sure that your phone is not on do not disturb by accident. And if you pull down the control menu from the top, the do not disturb here, it's going to be with the focus mode on iOS 15. It used to just be a simple button where it says do not disturb, but now it has changed. So you want to click on that and make sure that is not selected. So if this is selected on, that means your phone will be silenced if you're getting called. Now you want to turn that off and make sure none of the other ones like sleep, work, or personal are on either. If something is on, it will be pretty much, you'll notice it's on, but if it's off, you just simply toggle it off. Now that's important as well. Now the next thing you want to do is, if you have all those and still being silenced, is go over to settings. Once you go over to settings, you want to hop over to the phone settings, so which is going to be, if you scroll down, you'll see here the phone icon here, and then you notice the option for your phone number here and other things. But the setting that we want to take a notice is this silence unknown caller. So by default, we've seen on a recent software update, this gets turned on, which will potentially silence any number that is not in your contact, and it'll just straight send them to voicemail, so you won't even see the number appear at all. Again, the way that determines it, if it doesn't see the number on your phone ever, it will think that it is an unknown number, and any call that you get from new numbers that the phone never seen, it will just completely send them to voicemail. You want to go ahead and turn that off. Again, this is going to be probably the most important part of this video, is make sure this is turned off by toggling off and it's grayed out. Now, if you're still having issues, the next settings you want to check out, it's going to be again in the settings. So we go back to the settings, and this time you want to go over to accessibility, and in the accessibility section you want to go to where it says touch, select touch, and then after that you want to go down to call audio routing. You want to click on that and make sure that it is set to automatic. Now if you set it to somewhere else, it could be routing there. And the other thing you want to look at is auto answer call. So you want to make sure this is turned off. If this is on like this, it will automatically answer the call, and then you might not be able to hear it. So you want to make sure that is turned off just like that. Now, if you have done that, the next thing to do, if you're still having issue, it's going to be doing a force restart on your iPhone here. A force restart simply does a restart of the phone, boots it up again, clears out any cache or memory or any misconfiguration of the setting that could be interfering with the recent software or anything like that. And to do that on the newer iPhones here, you're going to simply press and release the volume up button, and then press and release the volume down button, and then you're going to hold that side button on this side. So to do that in real time, we're going to go volume up, volume down, and then we're going to hold the side button. Now we're going to keep on holding the side button till you see the phone go black and you see that Apple logo reappear again. At that time, we will let go of the actual side button here. Now that is doing a complete force restart or reboot, which again will clear out any sort of minor software glitch or bug that may be preventing calls from coming through and becoming silenced. Now, once you have done that, the last thing to do, again, with any sort of issues that you ever encounter with the iPhone, is making sure your phone is up to date. It's really important to do that. And you want to do that just because there's always bug fixes and things going on. To do that, simply go into settings, general, now go to software update, and then make sure you're connected to a good Wi-Fi or have good data signal, and then you want to look to see if there's a new software update out. Again, which each new software update that Apple releases, it fixes issues with security, bugs, general issues that the phone may be experiencing. You can simply hit that download and install, connect it to a power source, and make sure you're up to date with the latest version. So the last thing, of course, if this, after you do update the software and the phone is not working, still you're getting those calls being silent, it's going to be doing the probably the most effort thing you're going to do, which is going to be backing up your phone through iCloud or through iTunes, and then doing a factory reset and then restoring it again. Again, that's in another video we cover that, but that's going to be the very last thing that Apple support recommends. But hopefully these tips that we share with you guys help you guys fix that problem if your phone calls are being silent or you're not getting the phone calls when they're coming through. Of course, other things to check with your carrier, sometimes making sure your phone number is active, which you can do that. Make sure you get signal bars and things like that as well in your area. Again, hopefully that video help you guys fix your issue. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.